Niam, Mommy got you a new toy? Fire truck? Let's see. Yeah. Want to let it go? Watch.
We love it. Your first little toy fire truck.
Let's try it again, Shreya.
Shreya, do it again. Let's do it again, Shreya. You do it. Shreya, whose toy is that?
Come here, bring it over here. Bring it over here.
Share.
Share, come here. Here. Okay.
Good catch, Shreya. Yeah. Say fire truck.
He's so happy. Come here. Let's do it one more time. Let me try something. Come here. Share it. Bring it here. Let me try something. Oh, careful. Careful. Watch this. We're not going to let it go. We're just going to let it sit.
Let him hold it.
He got excited. Okay, I'll share.
Shreya, let me see your toy. What did you get from... Shreya, let me see your toy. Can he sit? Let me see him sit, Robert. He rolled over for the first time, too.
Tipping over.
Niam is learning to sit. He had his bananas today for the first time. Robert, let him sit. Let's see if he can. And he can sit with falling over. Big boy, Nini. Hi, Niam's 5.5 months. Whoa. And he rolled over for the first time today. Hi, Niam.
Careful, Shreya.
Careful, Shreya, babe. Shreya, say hi. Dia, say hi. Dia, can you look at me? Say hi, everybody. Thumbs up.
Careful. Dental.
Shreya, say hi. Say I love.
Look how she laughs. She likes this. She likes this.
What does she sound like? She's funny. Hey, Shreya.
Oh,
Shreya.
Nia's drilling on his fur.
That's his toy. He can drool on it. Hey, Shreya.
Now, listen to him. Watch, listen.
That's awesome.
Good job. He likes his new toy, Mommy.
I'm so happy. And Shreya's doing flips. Okay, Niam, now time to go to sleep, okay? Shreya, say goodnight to everybody. Shreya, give me a flying kiss. Bye. Good night. Dia, say...
Good
Dia.
night, new toy.
Hey, Shreya, Dia, can you do your Radha Radha dance? Do you know it?
What dance?
No? Okay, say bye.
Bye.